Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will do Moto G60 unboxing. G60 comes with two different colors: Dynamic Gray and Frosted Champagne. It's running on Android 11. I have Frosted Champagne variant. Let's open and see what we'll get in the box. Moto G60 with protective cover, guides. Turbo Power 20 charger. USB Type-C cable. SIM tool. Moto G60 available in one storage option: 6GB RAM, 128 storage. Expandable up to 1 TB with micro SD card. G60 powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. Display size 6.8 Max Vision display technology IPS. Resolution FHD plus 1080x2460 396 ppi. Aspect ratio 20.5:9. Screen to body ratio. Active area touch panel, AATP 85% AC. Dimensions 169.6 x 75.9 x 9.8 mm. Weight 225 g. Body type plastic. Water protection, water repellent design. 6 ports: 3.5 mm headset jack and Type-C port, USB 2.0. Camera. Rear camera hardware 108 MP f/l.9 2.1 pm ultrapixel, 8 MP f/2.2 112 pm ultrawide angle 11180. Macro vision minimum 2.5 cm focus distance, 2 MP f/2.4 1.75 pm depth. Rear camera software. Shot optimization, auto smile capture, gesture selfie, smart composition, HDR, timer, active photos, pro mode, portrait mode, cutout, macro, spot color, cinematograph, panorama, live filter, high-res zoom, raw photo output, best shot, Google Lens TM integration. Rear camera video software: macro video, slow motion video, time-lapse video, hyperlapse video, spot color. Rear camera video capture. Rear main camera, UID, 30 frames per second, FHD, 120/60/30 fps, HD, 240 frames per second. Rear ultra-wide angle macro camera, FHD, 30 frames per second. Front camera hardware 32 MP f/2.2 1.4 pm quad pixel technology. Front camera software: HDR, timer, face beauty, auto smile capture, gesture selfie, shot optimization, active photos, pro mode, portrait mode, spot color, cinematograph, group selfie, live filter. Moto G60 have dedicated flash for front camera. Front camera video software: time-lapse video, hyperlapse video. Front camera video capture: UHD, 30 frames per second, FHD, 120/60/30 fps, HD, 240 frames per second. Speakers: bottom ported loudspeaker, smart PA. 2 microphones. Battery size 6000 mAh. Charging: Turbo Power 20, Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 capable. Voice control. Google Assistant. My UX. Personalize, styles, wallpapers, layout. Display, peak display, attentive display, screenshot toolkit. Gestures: quick capture, fast flashlight, 3-finger screenshot, pick up to silence, flip for D&D, swipe to split, lift to unlock. Play, game time, audio effects, media controls. Connectivity. Moto G60 support 2G, 3G, 4G networks. 14 4G bands. G60 support NFC, but Moto G40 not support NFC SIM card single SIM, 1 nano SIM plus 1 micro SD. Hybrid dual SIM, 2 nano SIMs 1 nano SIM plus 1 micro SD Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 802.118 BGN, AC 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot. Bluetooth technology Bluetooth 5.0. Location services. GPS, AGPS, LEP, SUPL, GLONASS, Galileo.